The wait is finally over. And if you've been holding on to your original R7, wondering if the grass is greener on the other side, the answer isn't just a simple yes. It's a revolution in the APS-C world that we haven't seen in over a decade. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II isn't just a refresh. It's Canon's way of telling every wildlife and sports photographer that the professional game no longer requires a $5,000 full-frame body. For months, the rumors have been swirling, the leaks have been trickling out of manufacturing plants, and the specs we are seeing now confirm one thing. Canon is about to dominate 2026. This is the camera that bridges the gap between the enthusiast and the elite. And if you think you know what a crop sensor is capable of, you need to clear your schedule for the next 30 minutes because we're breaking down every single reason why this piece of glass and magnesium alloy is about to change your career. We aren't just talking about a few extra megapixels or a slightly faster autofocus. We are talking about a fundamental shift in how light hits the sensor and how AI processes that data in real time. Imagine standing on the sidelines of a high-stakes football game or deep in the brush of a rainforest, waiting for that split second where a bird takes flight. In the past, you'd be worried about noise, you'd be worried about the buffer filling up, or you'd be worried about the autofocus hunting for an eye behind a leaf. With the R7 Mark II, those anxieties are relics of the past. The heart of this beast is a brand new stacked sensor architecture that brings professional-grade speeds to the R7 lineup for the first time. This means rolling shutter is effectively dead. Whether you are panning at high speeds or capturing a hummingbird's wings, the distortion that used to plague electronic shutters is gone. But it's not just about speed, it's about the soul of the image. The dynamic range has been pushed to a level that rivals the R5, giving you shadows that breathe and highlights that hold onto detail even in the harshest midday sun. But why does this matter for you, the creator? Because the market is changing. In 2026, the standard for content has shifted. It's no longer enough to have good footage. You need perfect footage. The R7 Mark II introduces a 6K oversampled video mode that looks cleaner than most 8K footage we've seen in previous generations. And for the slow-motion junkies, the leap to 4K 120p without a crop is the holy grail we've been begging for. No more calculating focal length shifts. No more losing your wide-angle perspective just because you want to see the world in slow motion. This is raw, unadulterated power. And the best part? The thermal management has been redesigned from the ground up. You can record your entire set, your entire game, or your entire vlog without that dreaded overheating icon popping up 10 minutes into your shoot. Let's talk about the ergonomics, because a camera is an extension of your hand. Canon listened to the feedback. The joystick placement, the dual dial system, and the grip depth have been refined to feel like a mini R3. It feels substantial yet nimble. For the hybrid shooters who are constantly switching between vertical content for social media and horizontal masterpieces for the big screen, the new UI adapts instantly. The autofocus system has been upgraded with Deep Learning 2.0, which doesn't just track eyes and faces, it predicts movement. It understands the skeletal structure of a human, the flight path of a bird, and even the cockpit of a racing car. Once it locks on, it stays locked on like a heat-seeking missile. You could be shooting through a chain-link fence or thick forest canopy, and the R7 Mark II will find your subject and hold it with a tenacity that feels almost like cheating. As we look deeper into the technical specifications, we see that the internal processing engine has been doubled in power. This allows for real-time noise reduction in camera, meaning your high ISO shots at 6,400 or even 12,800 are coming out cleaner than ever before. For the wildlife photographer who lives in the blue hour, this is a game changer. You no longer have to fear the grain. You can push your shutter speeds higher, freeze the action, and still have a professional, sellable image. This camera is an investment in your vision. It's the tool that removes the technical barriers between what you see in your mind and what ends up on your memo. Recard. Over the next half hour, we're going to dive into the hidden menus, the lens pairings that make this sensor sing, and the secret features Canon hasn't even put in the marketing materials yet. This is the ultimate guide to the Canon R7 Mark II, the only camera you will need for the next 5 years.